being honest with yourself. I speak to so many people on a daily and weekly basis that just aren't being honest with themselves. And as a coach, we're always trying to get you to understand where you're at and acknowledge where you're at and understand that this is where you're at the moment. This is where you've been in the past. It doesn't define you. Let's draw a line underneath it and let's move forward and past the problem that you're having at the moment. The issue comes about when people won't accept, won't be honest with themselves. Let's give you an example, case in point, okay? Obviously you won't mention any names, but speaking to an individual who runs a very successful business, has been a business owner, has been a CEO, has been a senior executive, for many, many years, and is what you would call a very, very successful business person. Extremely wealthy, very powerful network, never has to work a day in their life again. They're about 52. Has an amazing family, amazing homes, amazing holidays, can do absolutely whatever they want to do at any time in the day. It's no problem at all. However, they are 6 stone overweight. They are on a multitude of different medications, including blood thinners and heart medication and diabetes control, metformin, etc., etc. And they are broken. Their back's broken. It's not broken, but their back's in pain constantly. The hips are in pain. They don't really sleep. They're always drinking, always caffeinated. And this 52-year-old person looks about 80. They look 30 years older than they actually are. And when I spoke to this person, and they won't know that they won't know I'm posting this because this is in a different country and they're not on this platform. But when you speak to them about their situation, they are in denial about it. They think it's okay. They think they can fix it themselves. They've tried for about 10, 15 years to fix this problem, but nothing's actually happened. So that's very frustrating. And look, listen, I'm a big boy. Some people don't want to change. I get that, that's cool. I just want to create this video to maybe highlight the issue to some people out there and hopefully maybe impact just one person to help you to understand that, be honest with yourself. If you are in this kind of situation and you do have tons and tons of money, maybe it's the time to invest in an expert. When you invest in the stocks and shares, when you create your retirement fund, when you buy a business, generally speaking, you'd hire an expert, or you would hire an expert in those key areas. So why not do it when it comes to your body? And we've said this message a million times before. Doesn't matter how much money you've got. Once your health starts failing, it starts failing very, very quickly. And unfortunately, this individual who is not willing to invest in themselves, not willing to spend time, or even just admit there's a problem, they will start to find some really, really big problems very, very soon in the future, which unfortunately are irreversible. So, hope it's motivated you. Hope it wasn't too somber. But essentially, the whole key to this is I want to try and help and inspire some people to get off your high horse. I know you're powerful and you're, an influential individual, but you're a human.